Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change your Spotify password. So without further ado, let's begin. So now, when you open your Spotify app and go to settings, there is no settings on how you can change your password. So, enable for us to change your password, what we can do is to go to spotify.com. To do that, just go to any browser and then search for spotify.com. It will then direct you to Spotify official website. Now just tap on the menu icon at the top. After that, just tap on Login. Now to log in to your Spotify account, you need to enter your username and then your password. But what we can do is just to tap on Forgot Your Password. When you tap on Forgot Your Password, you will be able to change your password. So, just tap on Forget Your Password. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.